Ever wondered how powerful kidney beans are for your health? It's a question many of us may not have considered, yet these humble legumes hold a world of health advantages within their glossy shells. From boosting your heart health to supporting weight loss, kidney beans pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. They're not just a staple in your chili con carne, they're a cornerstone in a balanced diet. Curious to know more? Stay tuned as we unravel the 7 powerful health benefits of kidney beans. First, let's delve into the world of these tiny yet potent legumes. Kidney beans, named for their shape that resembles our human kidneys, pack a powerful nutritional punch. One of the most impressive attributes of kidney beans is their high protein content. They are a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to add more protein to their diet. Next up, we have fiber. These beans are a fiber powerhouse, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly. The fiber in kidney beans can also assist in maintaining a healthy weight, as it helps you feel full and satisfied after meals. Finally, let's talk about blood sugar. Kidney beans have a low glycemic index, which means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to other high-carb foods. This makes them an ideal choice for people managing diabetes or those trying to prevent it. But that's not all. There's more to these wonder beans than you might think. Ready for more health-boosting benefits of kidney beans? Let's dive right back in. Our 5th benefit is a game changer for those on a mission to shed some pounds. Kidney beans are packed with fiber and protein, 2 nutrients known to promote feelings of fullness. This means that including kidney beans in your meals could help you feel satisfied with less food, supporting healthy weight management. But the power of kidney beans doesn't stop there. Benefit number 6 is all about heart health. You see, kidney beans are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower harmful LDL cholesterol levels. High LDL cholesterol is one of the main risk factors for heart disease, so by incorporating kidney beans into your diet, you're giving your heart a helping hand in staying strong and healthy. Just when you thought kidney beans couldn't get any better, we have 2 more benefits to share. Stay tuned to discover what these are in our next segment. For our final revelation, brace yourselves. Kidney beans, these humble legumes, pack a powerful punch against the big C, cancer. Yes, you heard it right. Studies suggest that kidney beans are rich in antioxidants, which can help to prevent the formation of cancerous cells. They contain a variety of bioactive plant compounds including isoflavones and phytic acid, which have been linked to reduced risk of certain types of cancer. So, next time you're meal prepping, remember to toss in a handful of these Crimson Warriors. Now let's move on to our final health benefit, and it's all about your digestive system. Kidney beans are high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for supporting digestive health. They help to promote regular bowel movements and can prevent common digestive problems like constipation. Plus, the fiber in kidney beans can be beneficial for weight control, as it keeps you feeling full for longer. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the marvelous world of kidney beans, unveiling their 7 powerful health benefits. 1. They're a powerhouse of protein. 2. They can help control blood sugar. 3. They're heart-friendly. 4. They support brain health. 5. They're great for your skin. 6. They can potentially prevent cancer. And 7. They contribute to a healthy digestive system. Remember, a bean a day keeps the doctor away.